Ready, set, go. Okay, guys, the game done changed. As they say, take a look at this. Holy smokes, guys. These are probably some of the best outlooks I've seen for this since this weekend. So last time I spoke with you guys, we were waiting for the weekly candle close, and I was literally closing my eyes just hoping that nothing bad could ever happen in my life. And maybe that was the best idea, because take a look at this. So we were here, we were facing this line. I redrew this line, by the way, so it clearly marks that our support, the upward sloping support, I had previously drawn that to this. But now it is marking our new upward sloping support. And see, we were here this weekend and I was saying, hey, this is really bad, guys. We're going to close the week below the previous all-time highs. This has never happened. We're pretty much screwed. But, well, it's Thursday now and I'm back and I'm not dead. And we did seem to have done nothing that I was hoping we would not do. And, well, I did say that we don't have to worry about that. It's just a possibility, and it did not come true. But we still have to see what's going on right here, right now, and take a look and see what we can hope doesn't happen in the future. So if we take a look, we are right now floating above my blue band of resistance, which just sparked me to make this update. So we came and tested it exactly to the bottom of it, with the most of precision where I drew this line. But this line was drawn way before this. Came and fell very far down, and I was pretty sure it was over by then. I didn't want to say anything. I just wanted to just ball up in a corner and say, gosh, this is it. But then we hit this. We didn't even hit the support. We almost did. Came damn near really close. Bounce up to my support or resistance bar once again, get rejected, try it again, go inside, try for the retest, stay in there, and this is all today, mind you. And then we finally just said, hey, this is it. I'm done here. We're moving on. So we are now right above the resistance band, and we are now going down to retest it to see if we can stay here. What does that mean? Well, take a look. We are clearly out of danger, right? No. This could all be a fake out. We can hope that it is not, but it could. Very likely could. If it is not, what do we have to watch out for first? We need to get to the levels of the 21,500. Have to get there. Have to start there. If we can get to that, we can finally be taking a look at making it through my head and shoulders breakout up to 28,000. That is where I want us to be sometime soon, to say, hey, this is all just a thing of the past. What else could happen is we have this really long downward sloping resistance that comes from April, and now we have this new upward sloping support line, and they do happen to converge right here within my resistance band. So if nothing happens and we're gonna trade sideways for many days, that is the next thing we're gonna have to look out for. When we get this far and this deep into the pattern, there's gonna be a very, very massive breakout to the upside or the downside. I can't say for sure anything, but these are things to look out for. These are the notes you have to be watching for. Take a look on the weekly, where we closed our last week red by accident, really. That's all you can say, is it was an accident that we closed red. But here we are. These are the weekly candles for Bitcoin. Not looking too great, but we are finding support around these previous all-time high levels. Not quite staying above them, but finding support around these areas, which is key. Of all things, this is key. And if we stay here, I'm assuming we're gonna bounce off. If we stay here though, it does not mean we'll bounce off. We could stay here for a while, keep hitting the bar, keep hitting it, and then fall below and never come back up. well, maybe not never. Bitcoin is a long-lasting asset, so it will most likely eventually come back up. But who knows how long that will take. But yeah, guys, I apologize I couldn't make a video for a while here, but shoot. I don't know what to say. I've let you down, but here we go. We're back above. Let's stay that way. You know, as always, I gotcha.